May I have my Lord's kind permission to commence the full court of proceedings?
Yes.
I request my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, to kindly deliver the reference address.
My esteemed sister and brother judges at Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior who are online. We have Preet Rupra, Additional Advocate General, Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Shri Ahadullah Usmani, Member, State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Sanjay Verma, President, High Court Bar Association, Shri Ritesh Inani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore, who is online, Shri Mahesh Goyal, Secretary, High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, who is also online, Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Shri Praveen Dubey, Secretary, High Court Advocates Bar Association, learned members of the bar, officers of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today to pay homage to Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal, Shri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and Shri Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui, former judges of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. The late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal was born on 25th August 1950. After completing his early education, he obtained his BSc and Masters of Law from Delhi University. He had a brilliant academic record and was awarded gold and silver medals during his LLB and LLM studies. He enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi on 25/10/1980 and started practice in civil and criminal law, both original and appellate jurisdictions at the district courts, Delhi High Court and the Supreme Court. He was an advocate in record from 1984 to 1991 at the Supreme Court. He worked as a part-time lecturer in law in 1986 after joining the faculty of Delhi University and continued as such till his appointment as Additional District and Session Judge Delhi on 30/11/1991. He was posted as the presiding officer of the Debts Recovery Tribunal Delhi on 20/12/2000. He was assigned the work of the Registrar General of the High Court of Delhi and worked as such from 14/10/2005 till 27th February 2006. He was a member of the Coffeeposa Law Board, a single-member tribunal for the National Democratic Front of Bodoland under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, the chairman of the All India Working Group constituted by the Government of India in the year 2001 for suggesting amendments in recovery of debts due to Banks and Financial Institutions Act 1993, and member of the governing body of the Board of Legal Studies, IP University, New Delhi. He was appointed as an additional judge of the High Court of Delhi on 28th February 2006 and thereafter became a permanent judge on 25th April 2007. He was transferred to the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 28/10/2010. He demitted office on 24th August 2012 from the Gwalior bench of this court on attaining the age of superannuation. Late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal has left for his heavenly abode on 26 January 2024 at the age of about 73 years. He is survived by his two daughters. Late Shri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit was born on 22nd June 1941. After his early education, he was shifted to Jaipur for higher studies. His essay on Gandhian philosophy won the award instituted by the Gandhi Peace Foundation when he was at the high school. He did his LLB and MLB from the MLB College, Gwalior, in the year 1962, and thereafter obtained the MA degree in Political Science in the year 1964. He enrolled as an advocate and started practice at Gwalior. He was selected in the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service and joined as a Civil Judge Class 2 on 14 September 1964. He was promoted as a Civil Judge Class 1 on 1st January 1976, as CJM on 1st February 1977, and as an officiating District Judge on 4th November 1985. He was granted selection grade scale on 7 July 1991 and super time scale on 28 September 1994. Thereafter, he was granted above super time scale on 25 January 1996. He discharged his duties as a judicial officer at many places. He held the office of the Inspecting District Judge Jabalpur with effect from 15 June 1995 till 15 May 1997. He was appointed as a presiding officer, State Transport Appellate Tribunal, Gwalior, on 16 May 1997, which office he held till his elevation as a judge of this court on 26 April 1999. He was made a permanent judge on 27 March 2000. He demitted office on 22 June 2003 on attaining the age of superannuation. After retirement, he was appointed as the chairman of the Chhattisgarh Arbitration Tribunal, which post he held from 2005 to 2008. I am told that he spent the rest of his life by devoting himself in religious activities. During this period, he wrote many religious books. Late Sri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit left for his heavenly abode on 5th February 2024 at the age of about 82 years. He is survived by his two sons. Late Sri Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui was born on 1st July 1951. After completing his early education, he obtained his BA and LLM degrees and started practice as an advocate in the year 1974 under Sri Faizuddin, who later became a judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, later on a judge of the Supreme Court of India. Thereafter, he joined the office of Sri Aziz Ahmad Siddiqui, a leading criminal lawyer at Bhopal. He also worked as a part-time lecturer in law in Saifia College from 1975 to 1976. He was head of the department, Faculty of Law at Ravindra College, Bhopal for 2 years before joining judicial service. He was selected in the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service and joined as a civil judge class 2 on 7th August 1978. He was promoted as a civil judge class 1 on 24th August 1984 and as CJM on 29th June 1989. He was promoted as an officiating district judge in the Higher Judicial Service on 9th August 1991. He was granted selection grade scale on 8 May 1999 and super time scale on 1st April 2005. During his tenure as a judicial officer, he worked in different capacities at many places. He also worked as a director, public prosecution from 13 September 2010 till 12 September 2010. He was appointed as judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 13 September 2010 and became a permanent judge on 11 September 2012. He demitted office on 30th June 2013. Late Sri Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui left for his heavenly abode on 8th February 2024 at the age of about 72 years. He is survived by his wife, a son, and 3 daughters. Though I did not have the opportunity of meeting Sri Justice Aggarwal, Sri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and Sri Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui, but from what I have learned is that they commanded respect from the bar and the bench alike. They enjoyed a calm and dignified persona. Their demise is a loss to the legal fraternity of Madhya Pradesh. I, on my own behalf, and on behalf of my sister and brother judges, offer our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved families of late Sri Justice Aggarwal, late Sri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and late Sri Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui, and pray God to grant eternal peace to the departed souls and to bestow courage to the members of the bereaved families to overcome their loss. The Registrar General to send a copy of the proceedings of this reference to the members of the bereaved families.
I request Additional Advocate General Sri Harpreet Singh Rupra to deliver his reference speech.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lords, It is with utmost sorrow that we have assembled here today to mourn the sad demise of Honorable Chief Justice Sri Aggarwal, Honorable Chief Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, Honorable Chief Justice M.A. Siddiqui, Mohammad judges of this Court. Honorable Chief Justice Sri Aggarwal was enrolled with the Bar Council of Delhi in the year 1980. He was appointed as an additional judge in Delhi and thereafter as permanent judge 25th April 2007. Subsequently, his lordship was transferred to Pradesh in 2010 and thereafter divided in office on 24th of August 2020. Chief Justice Aggarwal was an advocate on record, a part-time lecturer in Delhi University, presiding officer of the department, thereafter as the Registrar General of the High Court of Delhi, brought a deep pool of knowledge to the bench on becoming a judge. He soon made his mark and impressed everyone by his ability, sharp intellect, and by his keen desire to do justice. Honorable Chief Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit completed his early education, graduation, and post-graduation at Gwalior. His lordship was appointed as civil judge and was thereafter elevated as additional judge of the High Court. He became permanent judge on 27 March 2000 and divided office on 22nd June 2003. Late Chief Justice Dixit had a very deep sense of public duty. Everybody who came in contact with him admired him and respected him. Late Chief Justice Dixit was a great personality, was very humble, simple, patient, and had the willingness to understand the other man's point of view. His life and work will provide inspiration for generations to come. Honorable Chief Justice M.A. Siddiqui, after completing his BA and LLM, joined the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services as civil judge. Honorable Chief Justice Siddiqui was appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Pradesh and thereafter as permanent judge 11th September 2012. He divided the office on 30th June 2023. I had the good fortune of appearing before Honorable Chief Justice Siddiqui on several occasions. He was blessed with a great sense of humor. The atmosphere in his lordship's court was very cordial. His lordship treated seniors and juniors alike, did not allow anything extraneous to affect his judgment. His absence will be felt deeply by not only those close to him, but also by the members of the parliament. My lords, we lament the deaths of Honorable Chief Justice Sri Aggarwal, Honorable Chief Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, Honorable Chief Justice M.A. Siddiqui is a mountainous loss to the legal fraternity and to humanity. In their deaths, they have not only lost devoted legal luminaries, but also exceptionally wonderful human beings. I, on behalf of the state of Madhya Pradesh, the Advocate General, and all law officers of the state of Madhya Pradesh, as well as on my own behalf, offer heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. Pray to God Almighty that the departed souls may rest in eternal peace.
A request. Madhya Pradesh State Bar Council, member of Madhya Pradesh State Bar Council, Shri Adullah Usmani, fellow has the reference speech.
I have come to the Chief Justice of this Court and the convenient judges, Shri Harpreet Singh Gupta, Additional Advocate General, Shri Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General, Union of India, Shri Sanjay Verma, President High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President High Court Bar Association, Indore, through video conferencing, Shri Manish Goyal, Secretary High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Adit Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, Shri Praveen Dubey, Secretary High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur, respected judicial officers, my fellow members of the State Bar Council and officers of his bearers, my fellow advocates, These are very painful moments for all of us when we are paying heartfelt tribute to Honorable late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal, late Honorable Justice Shri Babu Dixit, late Honorable Justice Shri Siddiqui. Honorable late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal was born in the year 1950. Then, after completing his law education and meritorious marks, he was enrolled as an advocate in the Bar Council of Delhi. Then, while practicing in the courts in New Delhi, he enrolled himself as an advocate court in the Supreme Court of India. Then was appointed as Additional District Sessions Secretary. Thereafter was posted as the presiding officer at Recovery Tribunal Delhi, and has also worked as the Registrar General High Court Delhi, and then was appointed as an additional judge of the Hon'ble High Court of Delhi, a permanent judge. Then he limited his office in the year 2000 on attaining the age of superannuation. Honorable late Shri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit was born in the year 1941. After graduation, he joined the appointment as a civil judge in the year 1964, and after the promotions up to CGN, ACGN, and as an additional officiating district judge in the year 1984. Thereafter, in the year 1999, was appointed as an additional judge of this honorable court. Thereafter, as a permanent judge in the year Lordship limited the office in the year 2003 after attaining the age of superannuation. Honorable late Shri Justice Anwar Siddiqui was born in the year 1951. After completing the law graduation, he was appointed as a civil judge in the year 1978, and thereafter promoted as a civil judge class 1. Thereafter as additional CGN and subsequently CGN, and was promoted as an officiating district judge in the year 1991. Then he was appointed as an additional judge of this one. He became the permanent judge of this one in the year 2000. His lordship limited the office in the year 2013 on attaining the age of superannuation. Properly, Honorable late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal, Honorable late Shri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and Honorable late Shri Justice Siddiqui were very successful judges of this honorable court. Simultaneously, they were remarkably popular among the people at large. So far as the Justice late Shri Justice Ramesh Siddiqui, before whom I appeared when he was sitting in the courtroom number 15, and he was taking care of the new lawyers, hearing the arguments of them very peacefully. Lordship, these were always committed for moral values and encourage the new generation to maintain the expected norms which a society expects from them. I, on behalf of the State Bar Council, on behalf of all the advocates, and on my own behalf, pay my heartfelt tribute to Honorable late Shri Justice Shri Aggarwal, Honorable late Shri Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, Honorable late Shri Justice Ramesh, and pray Almighty rest their noble soul in eternal peace. I also pray Almighty to encourage enough strength to the family members to bear such terrible loss.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Shri Pushpendra Yadav, to deliver his reference speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable complaining judges of the court, Clerk of the Registry, esteemed members of the bar, today we come together with heavy hearts to mourn the passing of Honorable Justice Shri Aggarwal, Honorable Justice Shri Ramesh Babu Dixit, and Honorable Justice Shri Siddiqui, whose brilliance and contributions have left an indelible mark on the legal landscape and in our hearts. These esteemed individuals dedicated their lives to upholding justice, fairness, and the rule of law, served with integrity, wisdom, and unwavering commitment throughout their careers on the bench. Beyond their legal prowess, They were known for their humility and kindness. They approached every case with fairness and impartiality, earning the respect and admiration of colleagues, litigants, and the community at large. As we reflect on their legacy, let us remember the countless lives they have touched and the impact they have had on our society. Their judgments have set precedents, clarified laws, and provided guidance to generations of legal practitioners and citizens alike. They possess not only legal expertise but also empathy, compassion, and genuine desire to make a positive difference in the lives of those who appeared before them. In closing, I, on behalf of central government and my own behalf, offer my deepest condolences to the families and loved ones of the departed soul. May they find solace in the knowledge that their contributions to the legal profession will be remembered and cherished for years to come. Om Shanti.
I request President, High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Sanjay Verma, to deliver his entrance speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, all convenient presence of Principal Secretary Jabalpur, Indore, Gwalior, Mr. Preet Mubra, Additional Advocate General, Mr. Aggarwal, Member of State Bar Council, Mr. Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Shri Siddiqui, President and Court Bar Association, Shri Mahesh Goyal, Secretary Bar Association, Shri Adit Adhikari, Senior Advocate, Secretary, Senior Advocate Council, Shri Pushpendra Dubey, Secretary and Advocates Bar Association, Officer of the Dixit, respected member of the Bar Association. Today, we gather to honor the memory of three remarkable legal luminaries: Honorable Justice Sri Aggarwal, Honorable Justice Sri Ramesh Babu Dixit, Honorable Justice Sri Mohammad, Anwar. Their significant contribution to the judiciary has left an indelible mark. Justice Sri Aggarwal, born on August 25th, 1950, ascended to the position of an additional district judge in Delhi before being appointed as a judge. The distinguished service extended to the Madhya Pradesh High Court, where he served until August 24, 2012. Justice Sri Ramesh Babu, born on June 22, 1941, began his journey as a civil judge, eventually rose to the position of the judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. Concluded his dedicated service on June 22, 2003. Justice Sri Mohammad, Siddiqui, born on July 1st, 1950, commenced his career as a civil judge, class 2, ultimately becoming a judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. He retired on June 30th, 2013. These legal stalwarts dedicated their entire life to the judiciary. Today, we pay homage to their legacy. The Chief Justice has eloquently spoken words of tribute. I wholeheartedly endorse every sentiment expressed. On behalf of Madhya Pradesh High Court Bar Association, and personally, I pay homage to these departed souls. May Almighty grant eternal peace to them and strengthen their grieving family. Om Shanti.
I request President, High Court Bar Association Indore, Shri to deliver his entrance speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश श्री रघुनंदन साहब, उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण श्री हरप्रीत जी उपाध्याय, अतिरिक्त महाधिवक्ता जबलपुर, अब्दुल उस्मानी जी, मेंबर स्टेट बार काउंसिल जबलपुर, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव जी, डेप्यूटी सोलिसिटर जनरल इंडिया, श्री संजय वर्मा जी, अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय व्यय सेक्शन जबलपुर, श्री महेश गोयल जी, सचिव उच्च न्यायालय व्यय सेक्शन ग्वालियर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी एडवोकेट काउंसिल जबलपुर, श्री प्रवीण दुबे जी, सचिव हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, रजिस्ट्री के अन्य अधिकारीगण उपस्थित। आज हम देवगढ़ अन्य न्यायमूर्तिगण स्वर्गीय श्री श्रीनिवास जी अग्रवाल, रमेश बाबू दीक्षित एवं श्री अनवर सिद्दीकी जी के दुखद निधन की शोक संवेदना पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। स्वर्गीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री श्रीनिवास जी अग्रवाल का जन्म 25 अगस्त 1950 को हुआ था। आपने बीएससी के साथ ही कानून में स्नातकोत्तर की उपाधि दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय से प्राप्त की। आपको 25 अक्टूबर 1980 को बार काउंसिल ऑफ दिल्ली में वकील के रूप में नामांकित किया गया था। आपने सिविल और गैर और आपराधिक कानूनों में अभ्यास शुरू किया। आप 1984 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड नामांकित हुए। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति स्वर्गीय श्री अग्रवाल साहब ने 1986 में अंशकालीन व्याख्याता के रूप में दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के कानून संकाय में शामिल हुए। उन्हें अतिरिक्त जिला सत्र न्यायाधीश दिल्ली के रूप में दिनांक 30/11/1991 को नियुक्त किया गया। आपको दिनांक 20/12/2000 को ऋण वसूली न्यायाधिकरण दिल्ली के पीठासीन अधिकारी के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया। आपने दिनांक 14/10/2005 से 27/2/2006 तक दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय के रजिस्ट्रार जनरल के रूप में अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान की। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति स्वर्गीय श्री श्रीनिवास जी अग्रवाल को दिनांक 28/2/2006 को दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय के अतिरिक्त न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया और 25/4/2007 को स्थायी न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया। दिनांक 28/10/2010 को आपका स्थानांतरण मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जब बाबू में किया गया। आप 24/8/2012 को सेवानिवृत्त हुए और आपका निधन दिनांक 26/1/2024 को हुआ। स्वर्गीय श्री न्यायमूर्ति रमेश बाबू जी दीक्षित का जन्म 22/6/1941 का हुआ। आपकी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा ग्वालियर में पूरी करने के बाद आप उच्च शिक्षा के लिए जबलपुर चले गए। हाई स्कूल में रहते हुए आपके द्वारा गांधीयन फिलोसॉफी पर निबंध लिखा गया, जिसे गांधी शांति संस्था द्वारा पुरस्कार दिया गया। आपकी प्रारंभिक पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद आपने एमएलबी कॉलेज ग्वालियर से एलएलबी की डिग्री वर्ष 1962 में प्राप्त की व एमए पॉलिटिकल साइंस की डिग्री वर्ष 19 में प्राप्त की। ग्वालियर में कुछ समय तक वकालत करने के बाद आप 14/9/1964 को सिविल जज फर्स्ट सेकंड क्लास के रूप में नियुक्त हुए। उसके बाद आपको सिविल जज क्लास 1 के रूप में दिनांक 1/1/1976 को पदोन्नत किया गया। इसके बाद उपरांत आपको सीजीएम के रूप में दिनांक 1/2/1977 को पदोन्नत किया गया। दिनांक 4/11/1985 को जिला न्यायाधीश के रूप में नियुक्त किए गए। स्वर्गीय न्यायमूर्ति रमेश बाबू जी दीक्षित को दिनांक 26/4/1999 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के अतिरिक्त न्यायाधीश के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया और 27/3/2000 को स्थायी न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया। आप 22/6/2003 को सेवानिवृत्त हुए। आपका निधन दिनांक 5/2/2024 को हुआ। स्वर्गीय माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री मोहम्मद अनवर सिद्दीकी जी का जन्म दिनांक 1/7/1951 को हुआ। आपने बीएम एलएलएम की डिग्री प्राप्त करने के उपरांत दिनांक 7/8/1978 को सिविल जज क्लास 2 के रूप में नियुक्त हुए। उसके बाद आपको सिविल जज क्लास 1 के रूप में दिनांक 24/8/1984 को पदोन्नत किया गया एवं सीजीएम के रूप में दिनांक 29/1989 को पदोन्नत किया गया। दिनांक 9/8/1991 को जिला न्यायाधीश के रूप में नियुक्त किए गए। स्वर्गीय न्यायमूर्ति मोहम्मद अनवर सिद्दीकी जी को दिनांक 13/9/2010 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के अतिरिक्त न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया और दिनांक 11/9/2012 को स्थायी न्यायाधीश में नियुक्त किया गया। आप 30/6/2013 को सेवानिवृत्त हुए। आपका निधन दिनांक 8/2/2024 का हुआ। मैं अपनी ओर से तथा उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ इंदौर की ओर से अपने सभी साथियों की ओर से स्वर्गीय न्यायमूर्तिगण श्री श्रीनिवास जी अग्रवाल, श्री राम बाबू जी दीक्षित, श्री मोहम्मद अनवर सिद्दीकी जी की दिवंगत आत्मा को अपनी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ। परमपिता परमेश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि दिवंगत आत्मा को अपने श्री चरणों में स्थान प्रदान कर, परिजनों को दुख सहन करने की शक्ति प्रदान कर। ओम शांति।
Request. Please go ahead.
Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, and other honorable companion judges at Jabalpur, Indore, at Gwalior. Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General. Shri Ahadullah Osmani, Member, MP State Bar Council. Shri Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India. Shri Sanjay Verma, President, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur. Shri Ritesh Hinani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore. Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur. Shri Praveen Dubey, Secretary, High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur. Respected Registrar General, Senior Advocates, and other respected members of the bar, we have congregated to remember and pay homage to late Mr. Justice Shri S.N. Aggarwal, late Mr. Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and late Mr. Justice M.A. Siddiqui, former judges of the High Court of MP. Honorable Sri Justice Srinivas Aggarwal was born on 25th August 1950. He did BSc and Masters of Law from Delhi University. He was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi on 25/10/1980 and he started practicing civil and criminal laws. He became advocate on record in the Supreme Court in 1984. Honorable Sri Justice Srinivas Aggarwal joined Faculty of Law, Delhi University as part-time lecturer in law in 1986. He was appointed as additional district and session judge Delhi on 30th November 1991. He was posted as presiding officer of DATS Recovery Tribunal, Delhi on 20th December 2000. He also worked as a Registrar General of High Court of Delhi from 14/10/2005 till 27/2/2006. Honorable Sri Justice Srinivas Aggarwal was appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Delhi on 28 February 2006 and as Permanent Judge on 25/4/2007. He was transferred to Delhi to the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 28/10/2010. He demitted office on 24/8/2012. Honorable Mr. Justice Sri S.N. Aggarwal was well known for his knowledge of law and was having finest legal mind, with sharp intellect. As a lawyer, I had the privilege to appear in the many matters before him. His behavior towards the members of the bar was cordial, friendly, and excellent. He taught the young lawyers like a professor and mentor. He was always kind and supporting to the members of the bar and was held in high esteem and command respect from the bench, bar, and litigants. Honorable Justice S.N. Aggarwal left for Heavenly Award on 26 January 2024, leaving behind his two daughters. Honorable Sir Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit was born on 22/6/1941. After completing elementary education in Gwalior, he went to Jaipur for higher education. While in high school, his essay on Gandhian philosophy won the award instituted by Gandhi Peace Foundation. After completing his early studies, he obtained LLB degree from MLB College Gwalior. In the year 1962, he obtained MA degree in political science and in the year 1964. After practicing for a while at Gwalior, his lordship was appointed as a civil judge class 2. On 14/9/64, he was thereafter promoted as civil judge class 1 and on 1/1/1976 as chief judicial magistrate. On 1/2/1997, as official district judge, he was appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 26/4/1999 and thereafter as permanent judge on 27/3/2000. He demitted office on 22/6/2003. He was a Karmyogi, mentor, and a friend. He believed in the ideology of Lord Ram and religiously followed his principles in life. As a lawyer, I had the privilege to appear before him in many cases. His behavior towards the members of the bar was cordial, friendly, and excellent. He was always kind and supporting to the members of the bar and was held in the high esteem and command respect from the bench, bar, and litigants. He was of the firm belief that reading spiritual works is source to justice. Honorable Sri Justice R.V. Dixit Sahab left for Heavenly Award on 5th February 2024. His son Harish Dixit and grandson Parth Dixit are practicing lawyer at Gwalior, and one son Dr. Girish Dixit is a scientist, and daughter Srimati Manisha Devedi is practicing at Bhopal. Honorable Sri Justice M.A. Siddiqui was born on 1st July 1951. After obtaining BA and LLM degrees, he joined Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service as Civil Judge Class 2 on 7th August 1978. He was promoted as Civil Judge Class 1 on 24th August 1984 and CJM on 29/6/1989. He was promoted at officiating District Judge in Higher Judicial Service on 9/8/1991. Honorable Sri Justice M.A. Siddiqui was appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 13th September 2010 and thereafter as Permanent Judge on 11th September 2012. His Lordship demitted the office as Judge on 30th June 2013. We have learned that his behavior towards the members of the bar was cordial, friendly, and excellent. He was always kind and supporting to the members of the bar and had high esteem and command and respect from the bench, bar, and litigants. Honorable Justice Siddiqui left for Heavenly Award on 8 February 2024. I, on behalf of myself and on behalf of members of the High Court Bar Association Gwalior pay homage to the departed souls and pray Almighty to give strength and courage to the family members to bear these irreparable losses. Om Shanti.
अधिकारी
late Justice R.B. Dixit and late Justice Ramesh Siddiqui. Late Justice S.N. Aggarwal began his career as an advocate on the court and also served as a teacher and thereafter joined as AD at Delhi. Shri Aggarwal, after being elevated to the High Court of Delhi, was transferred to this High Court on 28/10/2010. Shri R.B. Dixit, before being elevated as a judge of this High Court, initially practiced at Gwalior and thereafter joined judicial services. Shri Dixit was granted several promotions and was ultimately elevated to this honorable court and had a tenure of 3 years. Late Justice M.S. Siddiqui joined as a judicial officer in the year 1978. He held several important assignments before being elevated as the judge of this honorable court. Late Justice Siddiqui adorned the principal seat of this court and passed several important judgments. Late Justice Aggarwal, late Justice Dixit, and late Justice Siddiqui had vast experience in the judicial field, and their contribution to the judiciary was exceptional. All of them had a very high judicial acumen, which is reflected through the recorded judgments passed by them in their respective. The principles settled by the honorable judges shall keep guiding the lawyers, students of law, like a beacon of light in the vast ocean of law. My lords, the death of the honorable judges has caused the loss of eminent judges and jurists. The member of the Senior Advocates Council will be saddened by their unfortunate and sudden demise. I, on behalf of the Senior Advocates Council, my own behalf, express my deep condolences and pray to the Almighty that the noble souls may rest in eternal peace. I also pray that their families are bestowed immense strength by the Almighty to bear the grave and suffering.
I request Secretary, High Court Advocates Association, Jabalpur, Shri Pramesh Dubey to deliver a acceptance speech.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, my Lord, Honorable the Companion Judges, Registrar General Officers of the Registry, all the respected office bearer of Bar Council, Bar Association of Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior, respected members of the Bar. Today, we have assembled to mourn the said demise of Honorable Chief Justice Aggarwal, Honorable Chief Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit, and Honorable Chief Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui, former judge of this court. Late Chief Justice Aggarwal was initially appointed as additional and session judge at Delhi on 30th of November 1981. His lordship was posted and worked as deciding officer of the Debt Recovery Tribunal Delhi and Registrar of High Court of Delhi. His lordship was appointed as additional judge of High Court of Delhi on 20th February 2006 and as a permanent judge on 25th 2007. His lordship was transferred to the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 28/10/2010. His lordship limited the office of judge on 24/8/2010. As per his lordship old mates, associates, relatives, his lordship was very soon and personality and having towering personality. Honorable late Chief Justice Ramesh Babu Dixit was appointed as additional judge of High Court on 26/4/1999 and then as a permanent judge on 27/3/2000. His lordship limited the office of judge on 22/6/2003. His lordship dealt with and decided cases in all streams of law. He delivered various landmark judgments. His lordship was a very religious person and he wrote many religious books. Honorable late Chief Justice Mohammad Anwar Siddiqui joined Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services on 7/8/1978. He was appointed as an additional judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 30th September 2010 and thereafter as a permanent judge on 11th September 2012. His lordship limited the office of judge on 30/6/2013. His lordship was very helpful and was kind to the younger member of the bar and always encouraging besides being bold enough. I, on behalf of all the members of High Court Bar Association Jabalpur and on my own behalf, express heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family members of late Honorable Judges and further pray to the Almighty
to give eternal peace to the departed. Om Shanti.
As a mark of respect to the departed souls, we shall rise and maintain silence for 2 minutes.
May I have your lordship kind permission to declare the full court reference proceedings closed?
Yes.
I declare the full court reference proceedings closed.
As a mark of respect to the departed souls, the court work for the rest of the day is suspended.